Hello everyone, we are students from GM University 4th semester CSE branch. We are here to present a project on event management system guided by Sanjay Sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science Engineering. Here are my friends. I am Bhumika Naresh, Kaushik LK, Prajwal S. Kali, Prakriti KN. Next, here is the abstract. Well-based platform to simplify event organizing, managing and tracking uses modern web development tool and databases. This project is a web-based platform designed to simplify the process of event organizing, managing and tracking. It provides users with a easy to use interface to create, view and monitor events. The system is built using modern web development tools and databases, ensuring efficiency, performance, scalability, and smooth users experience across devices. Introduction. Traditional methods are manual and inefficient. This system offers real time access and control for admins and users. Managing events through traditional manual methods can be slow, error prone, and inefficient. Tasks like registration, updates, and coordination becomes time consuming and hard to track. This project introduces a web-based event management system that provides centralized real-time access technological stack where HTML, CSS, JavaScript is used for front-end design and interactivity. Django backend framework SQL database management system where HTML, CSS, JavaScript used for designing the front-end interface and adding interactivity to the web pages. Django, a high-level Python web framework that simplifies backend development and ensures secure, maintainable server-side logics, and SQL utilized for managing and storing structured data such as user information, event detail, and registration record. Then we have implementation methodology. UI design, front-end development, back-end integration, data management, and testing and deployment. Where UI design initialize where frameworks and mockups were created to visualize the layout and flow of the platform. Front-end development. Using HTML and CSS, the structure and style of the website were developed. JavaScript was then used to introduce dynamically functionality such as interactive buttons and backend integration. The Django frameworks was used to build the core server-side functionality. It handles routing, business logics, user authentication, and communication with the SQL database.
Okay, I am explaining the code now. I am Kaushik Alke. I am explaining the code. Firstly, document type HTML. This tells the browser to the HTML page to create a HTML. Next, HTML language in. This tags the web page and says it written in English. Now head tag meta character UTF-8. This sets the text encoding so your page shows special characters correctly. Meta name whiteboard content with device width, initial scale. This is used to make your site look good on phones and tablets. Title event please booking up. This is a title of the web page you see in the browser tab. Then meta name description content lovable generate project. This gives search engines and people some info about the site and who made it. Then social media tags, Facebook tags. This is Twitter previews. Then the body tag, divide ID, root, divide. This is a where your app will be loaded and shown. Next, the root code. Root max weight is shown pixels, margin, padding, extra line. This styles the main container of your page so it's centered and neat. And logo page, height, padding will change, transition. These are all helps to this styles your logo and gives it a cool glowing effect when you hover your mouse over it. Animations. We are using keyframes to this defines an animation that spins the logo continuously. Media animation. This says only spin the logo if the user hasn't asked the system to reduce animations. Card and read the documents. Card padding. Read the documents colors. These styles use card to and document text. The root will
Mm.
to main container centered and spaced. Logo is used to animated and glows when hovered. Card and read the document just make the sections look steady and soft. Now I am explaining about the URLs. Import URLs. This is a Google font, so you set text more stylish using the Playfair distance and inter fonts. Next, base is used to reset and normalize browser styles. Components are used to reusable styles you define. Utilize the all the small utility classes like background, how a color is there, and pixels, etc.
Keyframes.
Oh.
This defines an animation that spins the logo continuously. Media. This says only spin the logo if the user has not asked the system to reduce animations. It is great for accessibility. Card text looks more stylish using the Playfair display and inter fonts. Tailwind base, tailwind components, and tailwind utilities. These lines bring the tailwind CSS features. Here, base represents the reset and normalized browser styles, and components refers to the reusable styles that you define, and utilities means all the small utility classes. Import UR1. This is a Tailwind CSS configuration with some custom styling for our web project. Scroll manual. One background 280, 20%, 97%. This defines a light purple pink background in HSL color format. So the variables like primary and accent, etc., it represents theme colors. Radius, it defines how round the things are. Ring and border, these are the colors for borders and outlines. And sidebar, it is a special color for your sidebar. Apply border. Here every element gets a default border color and body apply. The whole page gets a background color, text color, and uses a sans serif font. All heading tags like H1, H2, H3 uses the elegant Playfair display font. Apply relative overflow hidden, rounded into one transition all duration 300. This makes a cool animated card, rounded corners, and smooth over animations. It moves up a bit and gets a shadow. This adds a dark to transparent gradient overlay, and it is great for text readability over images. W full rounded border background. This style forms fields to look clean with padding, rounded corners, and a nice focus outline when clicked. Padding 2 and read the doc's color. This styles your cards and documentation text.
Hello everyone, I am Prajwal. So next we are showing our website. This is our main front page. Here we are added a login page for users to enter into our website. Here here the users will enter their email address and also password to enter our website. Next, here here we are created a list of events where users can book their events. Next, if a user wants to organize a birthday event, they should book now. And here the user has to fill their information as name, email address, phone number, guests, and also their address, and also date. Next, timing. Afterwards, book the birthday celebration. See here, booking successfully.